Alright y'all, today we got a little 2005 model KENWORTH T300. 4th of July is coming up, y'all. Y'all sure look good in this thing. Make folks feel patriotic. 291,000 miles. CUMMINS ISC, 300 horsepower turbo diesel, 9-speed EATON transmission, cruise control, 12,000 pound front axle, 21,000 pound rear. She got all kinds of rubber on her, y'all. Looks like just about brand new. Steer tires, really good looking matching drive tires in the rear, aluminum wheels. Check out them mud flaps, y'all. If that ain't America, I don't know what is. Air ride rear suspension, kind of pedal hitch hookup. We're gonna be listing the trailer separately, but you can own them both. Make y'all a package deal on it. 100-gallon fuel tank. Does have air. AC is not blowing cold. That big chrome visor up there, y'all. Look at that hood. I'm telling y'all, 4th of July is coming up. This is gonna be the truck to be in if you're gonna work around the holidays. This right here probably gets you more business than giving it away for free. Pretty clean interior, air ride seat for the driver. Got a radio. Sitting there just purring like a kitten. Y'all come check this little old truck out. 358 gears in it also. I forgot to add that. (13601) Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. And also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. As always, we sure appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.